today we're actually going to take a tire off of this car here using this lift and this tool here. We're going to take it off because there's a leak there, and I'm going to actually try to show you guys how to find the leak on the tire. A lot of times things get stuck in the tire. We're going to get it out and we're actually going to plug it together. I'm actually going to put this suds, you want it like this. Tire, and I'll bring the tire over to you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. Right here, we'll do so what'll happen is you shake this up enough, you put a lot of suds on it just like this, and you just cover that hole. It'll start blowing bubbles. You see those bubbles there? As you can see, getting it out of there. Wow. While this is leaking, the next thing we're going to use is a tire tackle. It gives you all the tools you need to get this little hole fixed right here. All right, so first tool we're going to use is this. This is called the reamer. We're going to ream the hole. Like stick it in there, and we're going to okay, now our leak is stopped. $35. Now we can put the tire back on. Very